Introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from po?
I'm Sister Aperlinsado from Bohol.
From Bohol. Okay, palakpakan po natin guys. How about you, ma'am? What is your name and where are you from po?
Karian Lagrasa from Bohol.
Si Ma'am Karian from Pulumulong. Okay guys, palakpakan po natin. Alright now girls, are you ready? Be ready ha. Relax lang talaga kayo. Okay now girls, our gentle giants and there you go. Okay. Alright, once again folks, this is our gentle giants. Nothing more purpose by the really scientific name of Bipedipithecus. They are the third largest fishes snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is weighing about nasa 3 to 4 kilograms at Daniel here is weighing about nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat ang natin sila yan guys kasi unahin natin sa kanila. Okay, ito si Ate Ma'am from Bohol. Dito tayo po. Alright. Okay.